का समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण, आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहत कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Ashwati here and I'm back with another video. I hope that you guys are doing well. So, in the wake of this pandemic outbreak and the chaos following it, we will be celebrating another important festival of the year, which is exactly what I'll be talking about today. So the next festival which is arriving soon is Buddha Purnima. The Hindu Panchang, the one which is thoroughly followed in Indian states, say that this festival arrives during the Purnima Tithi of the Vaisakh month, which is ongoing currently. So in the current year, which means that in 2020, this particular festival will be celebrated on Thursday, the 7th of May. It also goes by the name of Vesak and Buddha Jayanti, as this day is celebrated to mark the day when Lord Buddha, who achieved his enlightenment on this day and also embraced his death. Meanwhile, there are also many other considerations, many other religious considerations, which state that this day is actually celebrated as Lord Buddha's birth anniversary. Many people commemorate fasts and festivals on the day of Buddha Purnima or Vaisakh Purnima, which is why I'm basically here today to give away the details of the auspicious Muhurat for this day. So before getting started with the other important trivia about this day, I will right away give you the Buddha Purnima Puja Muhurat. So during this festival, the Purnima Tithi will begin from 1946-37 on the 6th of May, that is Wednesday, and the Purnima Tithi will end at 16:16 pm, which means that at 4:16 pm on the 7th of May. So moving on, I'll tell you why the festival of Buddha Purnima is actually celebrated. So those of you who do not know much about Lord Buddha, let me begin by saying that he was a prince who gave up his worldly possessions for the sake of humanity. Mahatma Buddha founded the now widely popular religion Buddhism and was born as Siddhartha. He was a prince, he was born as a prince. He was also born as a Kshatriya to the Shakya clan on the day of Vaisakh Purnima. Also on the very same Tithi, he gave up his physical life and also attained enlightenment. As Buddhism is a very popular religion in today's era and it has attracted tons of followers, natives of Japan, China, Cambodia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and many others including India also celebrate this day with great joy and fervor. This roughly translates into 180 crore population of the entire world, which can be said following the Buddhism ardently. So how does the celebrations of Buddha Purnima actually take place? I will tell you now. So as I have already stated, Buddha Purnima celebrations take place quite joyously. It is known to all that Gaya, situated in Bihar, happens to be the place where the Lord attained enlightenment and salvation. The Mahabodhi temple situated here has served as a principal hub for academic enlightenment, and Buddhist monks have been visiting this place since the ancient times. The indoors and the outdoors of the temple are especially decorated on the occasion of Buddha Purnima. Unfortunately, this year we would not witness any such majestic celebrations taking place at any religious shrines due to the COVID-19 outbreak. But people will still celebrate this day and pay tribute to Lord Buddha by hosting some minimal engagements at their respective homes. Also, this day is an equally important day for the followers of Hinduism, as the religious scriptures registered under the particular religion also state that Lord Buddha happens to be an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He is hailed as the 9th incarnation of Lord Vishnu, which is why there is the great significance of worshipping both the lords and reciting the Vishnu Sahasranam Stotra on this particular day. It was on this very day that Sudama, Lord Krishna's childhood friend, got past a miserable life of poverty-stricken life. Hence, people follow this ritual and observe fasts on the new moon, which is also known as Purnima, so as to remove all kinds of financial obstacles from their lives. There are also many other important and easy rituals which can be followed on this particular day, considering the situations that we are currently living in amidst the coronavirus outbreak. These rituals, which I will mention shortly, can be carried out at your home easily. So I will proceed to them quickly. So first of all, you need to wake up early in the morning and take a holy bath before the sunrise actually happens on the day of Vaisakh Purnima. After doing so, offer argh to the sun while reciting the Surya mantra. Now, take an oath to observe the fast and eulogize Lord Vishnu. After this, pay your reverence to Lord Vishnu and his ninth incarnation Lord Buddha with a devoted heart and mind. On this day, you should also light a sesame oil lamp at your house and also donate some sesame seeds if it is possible at all. You should also keep this in mind that food can be consumed once in a day if you are observing this fast at all. So this was all you need to know about the festival of Buddha Purnima and how you will be celebrating this festival amidst the lockdown and amidst the coronavirus outbreak. Thank you so much for watching this video and wish you a very happy and prosperous Buddha Purnima. If you have really liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.